Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of my terrible singing and stocks with you. I'm your host Ulysses Herrera. Guys, we're gonna talk about some exciting stuff, guys. We're gonna talk about NEO, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin, we're gonna talk about Dogecoin and Ethereum, guys. We're gonna go over all of these, guys, and to see what we have coming up in the next couple of days and weeks ahead. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off with NEO, guys. NEO is actually in a very interesting position, guys. As you guys could see, NEO was actually traveling through this channel right here. We're on the 1 week chart. Let's go to the 1 day chart, guys. Check it out, guys. This channel has been very reliable here, guys. I spotted this channel, obviously, and I've been using it and I've been tracking it, and it has really been paying off for whoever's been investing in NEO. I'm actually still invested in NEO, but guys, check it out. This last week, we had, like 2 weeks ago, basically, we had a nice little pump onto the upside, guys. As you guys could see, we were traveling within the channel. Boom, 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 boom. And then we touched the bottom of the channel, and then boom. We always try to get back to the top of the channel, guys. And then we either break the channel or we break the channel above or below. In this case, I believe we are going to break above this channel in the next coming weeks, guys. Why do I think that? Well, let's take a look, guys. So quickly, we're gonna move over here and see. Look, check it out, guys. So we're strongly on top of the 21-day moving average and the 9-day moving average, guys. Whenever we get a bounce on top of the 21-day moving average, guys, we do tend to have quite a bit of a pump, and it's always bullish whenever you are on top of the 21-day moving average for the most part, guys. As you guys remember, during the tech sell-off, obviously, which was around February, we started traveling all the way down and saw a massive drop, guys. I mean, we were seeing almost 47% drop, and then boom, traveling on under the 21-day moving average, which is obviously tends to be bearish. But then boom, whenever you guys we start to move above the 21-day moving average, you get to see some really nice pumps here, guys. Look at all this pumpage here, guys. All this pumpage here was like 600% plus, because we were right on top of the 21-day moving average back when NEO was pumping like crazy, guys. So what are we doing here? We're actually starting to trend above the 21-day moving average, guys. If we look into the weekly chart, guys, the MACD is just primed for a breakout coming soon, guys. I'm not saying it's gonna break out today, not saying it's gonna break out tomorrow, guys, but you need to be on the lookout, guys. The MACD is just waiting for you guys to call its name, so you could see the pumpage that's gonna come here, guys. So be on the lookout, guys. NEO will probably end up pumping with the next couple of months, weeks ahead of time, guys. So I'm just giving you a heads up, guys. So this is, at the time of this recording, it's $42.74, which today I believe is June 9th. So we'll see what comes out of NEO in the next couple of days, weeks, guys. I will be updating you what's going on with NEO. I do think we're gonna see a pump to the upside. At minimum, guys, we're gonna see this. I think that at minimum we're probably gonna end up seeing a price average of $63 and maybe even to the top of the wedge of $66. I think that is possible within the next couple of weeks, guys. We may be touching the all-time highs again, and we could probably essentially move higher than that, because look right here, guys, we are on the 50-day, almost on the 50-day moving average, 55, and all the way to the other top of the last bull cycle top for NEO was 71% up from here, guys. At minimum, if we see where we are right now, we're at $42. A 71% pump would be right around the $73 area, which is very close to the $66 area to where I'm predicting. So that's what I think is going to be coming out of NEO, guys. So please pay attention with NEO on the next couple of weeks, guys. All right, let's go into Bitcoin, guys. We're still not 100% out of the woods, guys. We are seeing a little pump. We did, as I mentioned to you guys in my last video, that we would likely be touching the bottom of this channel, guys. And what happened, guys? Just about 2 days ago, we basically touched the bottom of the channel, guys. We got up to $31,000, guys, and look at where the end of my channel is here. right here, guys, right where I told you guys we would end up. And then boom, we got a pump to the upside to around $37,000 where we are right now. What happened as well, remember I was mentioning this ascending triangle. It broke out of here, guys, and then now we're seeing a rejection. We see a rejection here, and then look like we're trying to come back up, guys. If we get up out of $39,000, we could start to get bullish on Bitcoin again, guys, for the short time. I'm not saying overall. We still need to get out of this major dump here, guys, on the 1 week chart, which really controls everything, guys. As I mentioned to you guys, I told you way above here that this was all gonna happen, and it has happened, guys. Look at the lines I talked about, guys. These are the lines I told you. Look, we are basically, this was the last resort, guys. I mentioned to you guys like about 2 months ago, this was the last resort. If we did not get a bounce off of here, we would keep going lower. It looks like we may be going lower, but it's just trailing right here, guys. So is the dump over, guys? I'm not sure. It looks like we may have seen the worst of it, guys, but once again, this is crypto. We could see as low as a $15,000 Bitcoin. I'm not saying that's gonna happen at all, guys, but that isn't out of the cards if we were to see another massive drop. Right now, looks like I think $30,000 may be the resistance and support point, guys. So guys, I loaded up on Bitcoin at 32,000, guys. I loaded up at 33,000. I loaded up at 35, 36, and 39, guys, for a nice average around 33, 34,000, guys. So I loaded up. This was an opportunity for anybody to load up when you see these kinds of dump, guys. We know that Bitcoin is resilient, and we know it will come back up. Ethereum, guys, let's go to Ethereum. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. I mentioned to you guys, look at the bottom here on the MACD that we were gonna start to cross here, and look, as you could tell, Ethereum, we're starting to see the red again, guys. When I was talking about this, there was no red. The positive and negative moving averages were not even touching, and I told you guys we were gonna go all the way down, and it's still a possibility for us to even see a $1,650 Ethereum, guys. Right now we are maintaining some positive price action, but not positive enough to get us out of the hole that we are in, guys. And so we'll see. I mean, could we get a pump up right here? It looks like we are trying to travel within a channel here, guys. And could we break above here? I mean, look at the volume that we have here, guys, on the 1 day chart. There is virtually zero volume, guys. The MACD is weak as can be. The positive volume is just pretty much flat. There's not much going on here. Either we're gonna break down more, or we may get a little pump if we get some more good news out of like South America adopting Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will drive the entire market, guys. But as for Ethereum right now, guys, I personally don't see us really getting out of what needs to happen, unfortunately, guys. As you guys can see, we're starting to see some red volume, but it looks like it's honestly weak as well, guys. On the 1 week chart, the volume it's starting to die off. Could we technically get a bounce off of here? Hypothetically speaking, we could get a little bounce and then boom, back up to 4,000. I don't know if that's gonna happen, guys. We have to let the price tell us. You got to keep watching the charts, or could we just keep going down here and see more red action here? That is very possible as well, guys. The charts are just here to show us what's going on, and we got to follow the charts, guys. Dogecoin real quick, guys. So sorry, for last thing, Ethereum, guys, it's really got to break above like 29.50 for it to be bullish again. 29.50 is the price I'm looking for. If we start to break 29.50, then we could probably see the $4,000 area again, guys. So that's what I'm thinking, that I'm looking out for Ethereum, guys. I'm waiting until 29.50 for a short day trade, guys. Once again, guys, I really want to emphasize these are all for short-term trades. I am long on Bitcoin. I am long in Ethereum in the long run. I'm only selling in and out of positions for short game pops. Plus, I have my long-term portfolio, guys. So let's go into Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin, guys, as you guys could see, we started to come out of this channel here, and it looks like we are getting some support around the 33 to 30 cent area, guys. Could we technically see more dumping? We could, but we are getting some minimal support. I mean, we're getting like a little bit of support here, guys. As you guys could see, this volume, this dumpy volume is not very strong. So does that mean that this dump could be over? Hypothetically speaking, it could be over, guys. But in the long term, guys, I am just a little bit worried for Dogecoin because, guys, check it out. We are starting to close these gaps here, and look, I mean, we are seeing the same thing that we are seeing for Bitcoin, guys. We are seeing this drop, and inevitably speaking, we still haven't seen the 22-cent area again. Is that hypothetically possible, guys? It is not impossible. As you could see, usually Dogecoin sometimes maybe gets a bounce off of here. Look, we got one here up to the upside. We try to go down here as well, got another bounce. Hypothetically speaking, we could see another bounce, guys, but I am a little worried for the long term for Dogecoin, guys, because there is inevitably a drop that does need to happen, guys. It's just normal. It's normal. I'm not bearish on Dogecoin. I'm just telling you what the charts are showing us, guys. As you guys could see, check this out right here on the bottom on the MACD, guys. So as you could see, we had a pump, and then boom, we eventually dropped. The positive and negative moving price actions went down, and we saw a dumpiness. We saw a dumpiness here, we saw a dumpiness there, and guys, we haven't even seen that at all for Dogecoin, unless Dogecoin is just gonna keep flying to the moon, which I hope. We still need to see some red price action movement here, guys. These gaps need to close, and then we need to go down, guys. Eventually that does need to happen. I think so. Don't quote me on this, guys, but you know, that's a possibility. I did see that for Bitcoin quite a while ago, and I didn't say anything, and then of course now we're in this dump that I saw months ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, guys. There is a possibility we could see a big correction for Dogecoin in the coming future, guys. I mean, even seeing a 57.57057 coin again is not 100% out of the picture, guys. I am 100% bullish on Dogecoin, but guys, that is just a reality we have to face. Right now, Dogecoin, guys, there is so many fake outs lately that, guys, I don't even know when to tell you unless you're breaking at this point 50 cents. We probably won't be able to get bullish again because we started to get up towards the 44-43 cent area, and we got rejected down, guys. I wasn't expecting that to happen, honestly, and it happened. So at this point, guys, we really have to see some strong volume towards the upside in order for us to feel confident again, guys, because unless there is no volume, then it's a dangerous proposition, guys. No volume, as you guys can see it here, and look at this volume right here. Beautiful big volume. Here, not so much. Unless we're seeing some major volume, guys, I would be a little bit skeptical to jump in a trade unless we're breaking above 45 cents, because we couldn't break above 43 cents. So once again, guys, just be on the lookout, guys. These are all just my suggestions. This is not financial advice. This is me just telling you what I think may or may not happen for Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum. As you guys remember, I was able to get 100% return on Dogecoin the last time. I was up 123%. On Ethereum, guys, I did a 30%, and on Bitcoin, I did I think on Ethereum, guys, I got like 60%. On Bitcoin, I got like 30%. So that's a combined average of at least 50 to 60% return on most of the trades, guys. So that's my suggestion to you guys. I hope you guys keep paying attention, keep watching, and I will see you on the next one. And I hope you can always get out of the rat race too. Thank you very much, guys.